Hey there, do you like my outfit? Your outfit is the clothing you're wearing. We wear different clothes each day to feel comfortable, show our style, and keep us safe in different kinds of weather. Clothes help us look our best for school, work, and home. When it's time to get dressed, people use different words to describe parts of their outfit. Tops are things like shirts, sweaters, or jackets. Bottoms are pants, shorts, or skirts. Outerwear means coats or rain jackets. Footwear means shoes or boots. And underwear is clothing you wear underneath your outfit. Each piece of clothing helps your body in a different way, keeping you warm, clean, or covered. Did you know that clothes come in different sizes? Clothing sizes, like small, medium, or large, help us choose what will best fit our bodies. You can try on clothes at stores to find out your usual size. If something feels too tight, it might be too small. If it feels very loose, it might be too big. But clothes that fit right help you feel comfortable and confident. Do you know how to choose what to wear and when? Every place has different rules or codes for what to wear. This is called a dress code. At home, you can wear comfy clothes like t-shirts or pajamas. But at school or at work, you might wear a uniform or dress neatly. Knowing the dress code helps you decide what to wear. Checking the weather also helps you plan your outfit. Do you know what to wear when it's hot? Do you know what to wear when it's really cold? How about when it's raining? It's important to know how to dress for the place, for the weather, and for yourself. So, what outfit will you wear next? Check tomorrow's weather and make a plan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.